The Spencer S. Eccles Health Sciences Library is the electricity that powers the education, research, and clinical enterprise of the University of Utah. We are a unique space that provides equal and free access to everyone, leveling the playing field for all students, schools, colleges, faculty, staff, researchers, and clinicians. Libraries do today what libraries have been doing for a long time. We collect content and tools, and then provide experts to help you use those tools to access the content and create new content.
For a clinician and somebody who does clinical research, the library is critical to everything we do.
I found myself coming here early in my first semester, totally clueless on how to do research or to search out the research and asking for help.
We needed to write a systematic review as a group, and that was kind of overwhelming and stressful because research is not my forte, and it's kind of hard for me to read through the articles and especially find significant articles that will support the evidence or what we're looking for. And so our teacher was awesome enough to connect us with a research librarian here at this library.
We are living in a technological environment that everybody wants everything at their fingertips, right? Gone were the days when you take your Saturdays and go sit in a library, take a book, check them out, and then send them back. But now you have the opportunity to get everything electronically.
Specifically working with research librarians, they've been able to point me into the direction of wonderful health databases or finding different search terms that have been helpful for me in my research pursuits.
That idea of finding, evaluating, and using ethically the information is really, really important as part of not only education, but for the future. We want people to be lifelong learners.
That's what's cool about this library. They partner with people and even societies, national societies. So this library now is very popular. There are very few countries that have not visited our library, and we have millions of visitors all the time.
For more specific and targeted research, specifically with databases and using different terms, I really didn't have much of a background. I also wasn't very aware of how to assess and understand the credibility of different sources, or really what it was like to read academic writing.
They've given me the tools and shown me how to use those tools so that I can be independent and be able to do it on my own.
Very early on, the Eccles Health Sciences Library connected with computers, electronics, technology to provide the content. Video games, virtual reality, and 3D printing are on a similar trajectory, where they were all once considered just entertainment, and now are becoming part of the health sciences curriculum. Anyone can walk into our building and have access to all of the resources. So you don't have to be a University of Utah affiliated person to walk into our building and have access to our librarians, ask them questions, get help with research, find the articles that you want.
What library can say that they built an international library that's used all over the world? They've built a resource and education for ophthalmology that's used all over the world. Spencer S. Eccles Library is the coolest library in the world.
Having access to that level of content for free is pretty amazing, and I think is life-changing for a lot of people.
I think the future for medical education looks a lot more diverse, and I don't mean that in just the students who are attending our campus. I mean in also the availability of resources that we offer.
I think it'll continue in the role that it's currently taking of being a strong support and base for performing research and finding evidence-based research. I'd just like to give my congratulations to the library, and I think they've been just such a great support to me personally and to our DMP program as a whole. Thank you so much for all your help.
I'm exceptionally grateful for the Eccles Foundation and their support of this library and of me as a student.
I want to congratulate the library on their 50th birthday and how it's been awesome that they've been able to help this many students for 50 years, and I hope that they'll be able to help more students in the years to come.
Wishing the Eccles Library a happy 50th anniversary, and thank you for supporting our research and helping us move forward.
I'd really like to offer my gratitude for this building, for this space, for the ability to lead this group. I am so grateful to the Eccles family for their many donations to the University of Utah. I love this university. I love this library. I am honored to be its next director and leader. And we just have such a good group right now. These are innovative, intelligent, funny, smart people who are ready to do this work. Our future is bright, but it cannot happen without you. If you are hearing tonight something that surprised you, might even change your idea of what libraries are, know that you can have a partnership in making the future of the Eccles Health Sciences Library happen.